find it challenging to escape from hazardous scenarios. But remember, some moments require more than muscle. But may find this challenging at first. Don't get too cocky there, sport. This means more healthful nutrition for you. Take caution not to bite off more than you can chew. Just be certain to be mindful of others.
Jesus Christ!
Okay.
Don't get greedy now.
No!
Don't get carried away there, big fella.
Hey, Stinky!
Please, have mercy! You must die! Punch!
Stop right there!
Just don't lose your head. But enthusiasm will only take you so far. Unfortunately, she can't save you from every situation.